Is your organization weighed down by time-intensive manual invoice processing of paper-based documents? Do you depend too much on traditional methods for invoice processing? Modern accounts payable departments need new tools that help their staff process and route invoice documents in an efficient, timely, and traceable manner. Process Fusion 360 is an OCR and machine learning platform that enables accounts payable departments to streamline their manual invoice processing by capturing information from documents, automatically classifying them, and routing invoices, along with extracted data, to your accounting management systems. The process begins with enabling suppliers to securely send their invoices directly into your system. PF360 also captures your suppliers' invoices coming through other means, like fax, email, network folders, connected applications, and scanners. Once your invoice has been captured, PF360 accurately verifies your supplier's data and inquiries. Your invoice data is then processed into the proper pre-built workflow rules or sent back for correction. With its workflow capabilities, PF360 utilizes the captured data to organize inquiries and collaborate with accounts payable staff on actionable digital notes. It then notifies suppliers by automatically texting or faxing them back at any stage of the workflow, and then handling their responses for new workflow actions. PF360 then records the results of the process accurately into your accounting management system and provides real-time insights through detailed reporting and analytics in every step of the workflow. Process Fusion 360 will enable your accounts payable department to automate their manual invoice processes, refine security compliance, boost invoice data accuracy and confidentiality, improve staff and supplier collaboration, increase operational efficiency, and gain greater visibility into liabilities, due dates, and invoice statuses. Learn more at processfusion.com.